Hi! In front of me is REALME NARZO 50i Prime, and today I would like to show you how you can install and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, just open Play Store. Now click on the search bar and type in Magic Fluids. Then download free Magic Fluids app from Mad Scientist developer and click on Open. Finally, you can click on the bottom right corner on those three lines and select Settings at the top. Now choose I accept in this pop-up and adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're ready, you need to choose the top right corner and then bottom one again. This time choose Set as Live Wallpaper and click on Apply to Home Screen and Lock Screen. Now when I swipe up and click on Home button, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!